Hello everyone, welcome back to Quick Guide. I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how you can log into your tagged account. Before starting the tutorial, I'd like to let you know about Tagged app. It is a free to use online dating service where users meet new people and talk online. Now open up Tagged app on your phone. After you open up your app, there you'll see already a member login. Tap on login. Here you can see that you can log into your account using email, Google, Facebook or Apple. For now, I'm going to show you how you can log into your account using email. For that, enter your email address that is linked to your account. Then enter your password. After you are done, tap on login. This way you can log into your tagged account. Now you can link up with people nearby and swipe if you're feeling them. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.